Hey, let me show you guys something, because this is driving me nuts. I see people constantly putting these away in their truck and trying to figure out what the hell they're going to do with the fence. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. All right. Watch this. Pull that clip. Pull the clip on the back. It comes right off. And hey, ready? That goes under there. A little tricky to do with one hand, but I might be able to do it. This is way easier to do with two hands. There's one side. Come around to the back. Goes underneath, right? Here we go. Look at that. Just store it like that. All right, that's what you do with the fence. It fits right under, doesn't take up any extra space past the top. All right, you're welcome.